In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Fortnite on your PC using a PlayStation controller. So the method is very easy. You can just go, of course, there's two methods, to use it via or to connect this via the USB. So plug and play, the easiest way. You can just go into your PC, plug the PS4 or PS5 controller into your PC using USB-C or micro USB cable, and Windows will auto-detect the controller. You can just go and launch Fortnite from the MS Store or Epic, and Fortnite will detect the controller instantly, and your button layout will switch to the PlayStation style on screen. And if you want to use it wirelessly or wireless option via the Bluetooth, you'll have to go and hold the PS button on your controller, and then plus share, of course, and then you'll have to go and open Bluetooth also on your PC. So just go and hit the Windows key and type Bluetooth. Make sure that is enabled. And once it is enabled, you'll basically have to go and click on Add Device. Once you click on Add Device, choose Bluetooth. And from here, you will have to choose the Bluetooth. Then you'll see your controller here. It will appear. Just go and click on it, and it will start connecting right away. Once it's connected, the light on your controller will go solid and still flashing. And now you can just go and launch your Fortnite, and you'll be able to play it again with your controller. So it's that simple. That should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.